Ever wondered why the concept of passive income seems more like a myth than a reality? This topic has been puzzling many people for years, especially those who dream of escaping the monotonous cycle of daily work schedules. The notion of passive income, the ability to earn without active participation, might seem like a far-fetched dream. But is it really? The idea that one can earn while not actively working seems akin to a fabled tale, something out of a magical realism novel than the real world. It's as if only a chosen few have been granted the golden keys to this promised land of financial utopia. However, the reality is far from this perception. So let's embark on this journey to uncover this elusive concept. Passive income in its pure essence is a type of earning that is derived from a rental property, a limited partnership, or other enterprises where a person is not actively involved. This concept, although simple as it seems, numerous intricate layers underneath. In layman's terms, passive income could be money you make while sleeping or while vacationing in the Bahamas. It sounds like living the dream, doesn't it? A world where money flows into your bank account while you are busy doing what you love, not tied down by the traditional concept of work. The idea itself is seductive, but let's not rush into things. Before we delve into the depths of this fascinating world of passive income, it's essential to dismantle some common misconceptions that often cloud our understanding. Misconceptions that have, over time, turned the concept of passive income into a labyrinth of confusion and misconception. Myth number 1. Passive income requires no effort. This is a massive oversimplification. The reality is that passive income is not synonymous with effortless income. Often, the initial setting up of your passive income stream requires considerable time, effort, and even a substantial financial investment. Think of it as planting a tree. You have to dig the ground, plant the seed, water it, and care for it until it grows strong enough to stand on its own. Similarly, a passive income stream requires nurturing, regular monitoring, and adjustments in the initial stages. It's more about constructing a system that will eventually run without your constant involvement, rather than creating one that doesn't require any involvement at all. Myth number 2. Passive income guarantees financial freedom. Again, this is a gross simplification. Having a passive income stream doesn't grant you a ticket to join the club of millionaires overnight. The harsh truth is that financial freedom is much more than just having an extra income stream. Financial freedom is not just about earning more, but also involves managing your finances wisely. It's about creating a balance, a harmony between your earnings and your expenditure. It's about reducing debts, increasing your net worth, and making smart investments. It's about the ability to withstand financial emergencies. It's about securing your future. It's about achieving a state of financial stability where you have the freedom to make life choices without being overly stressed about the financial implications. Understanding these misconceptions is crucial. It's important to shed these unfounded myths and have a clear perception of what passive income actually entails. By doing so, we can approach this concept with a more informed and realistic perspective. In the long run, this will help us make better decisions and avoid common pitfalls. At the end of the day, it's all about having a comprehensive understanding of passive income. It's about demystifying the concept and viewing it in a pragmatic light. It's about understanding that while it does offer an opportunity for financial growth and freedom, it doesn't come without its fair share of effort and strategic planning. So, does it feel like only a select few can unlock its secrets, while the rest of us toil away at our 9-to-5s? Well, with the right knowledge, tools, and mindset, anyone can embark on this journey of discovering the truth about passive income. Financial freedom is more than just having an extra income stream. It's about managing your finances wisely, reducing debts, and increasing your net worth. Now that we've debunked these myths, let's delve deeper into the essential points about passive income. When we talk about passive income, the first thing we need to remember is that it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Yes, it's true that tales of instant riches are a common narrative in our society, but they mostly serve as an illusion. In fact, genuine economic prosperity has never been about instantaneous profits. It's rather a process that requires an amount of upfront work. This upfront work is not just about investing money, it's about investing your time and effort too. It's about researching and understanding the market, analyzing trends, and making educated forecasts. It's about exploring different ideas, scrutinizing their feasibility, and then deciding which one to pursue. It's about planning meticulously, executing effectively, and continuously monitoring your progress. It requires persistence, fortitude, and a dash of audaciousness. And then comes strategic planning. Strategic planning is not a matter of conjuring a few steps that lead to a specified result. It's a comprehensive, dynamic process that involves setting goals, determining actions to achieve the goals, and mobilizing resources to execute the actions. A strategic plan describes where you want to go, but more importantly, it outlines how you are going to get there. Patience, often underestimated, is the final key ingredient in the recipe for successfully earning passive income. Patience is not about waiting idly for things to happen. It's about keeping faith in your strategies and resisting the temptation of immediate gratification. It's about understanding that noteworthy results demand time. It's about fostering the courage to stick to your plan, even when things don't seem to be going your way. But once set up properly, passive income can provide a steady income stream that requires less active involvement. It's about setting up a system that, after the initial effort, can keep generating income with minimal maintenance. It's like planting a tree. You sow the seed, nurture the sapling, and then let nature take its course while you enjoy the fruit it bears. Secondly, passive income is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's not a standardized recipe that can promise the same results for everyone. What works for one person might not work for another. Every individual has his or her unique characteristics, situations, and aspirations. Your skills, interests, and financial goals will dictate what type of passive income source will suit you best. It's about introspection, about understanding your strengths, about recognizing your talents. It's about aligning your passive income source with your passions so that the initial effort doesn't feel like a burden. It's about identifying your financial goals so that you can select a method that has the potential to fulfill them. And it's about being open to learning, adapting, and evolving as you navigate through your passive income journey. Lastly, passive income is not a ticket to financial freedom on its own. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can contribute to financial stability and freedom. But remember, it's not a magical wand that will solve all your financial problems instantly. It's a piece of the puzzle, a component of the machine. It needs to be part of a larger financial strategy that includes good money management and a solid plan for growth. Good money management is about spending wisely, saving diligently, and investing smartly. It's about maintaining a healthy relationship with your income and expenses. And a solid plan for growth is about increasing your earning potential and building wealth over time. It's about taking calculated risks and making decisions that foster long-term benefits. So, passive income, with its potential to provide a steady income stream and contribute to financial stability, can indeed be a powerful tool, but like every tool, its effectiveness hinges on how it's used. Therefore, make sure to use it wisely, strategically, and responsibly. So, the next time you hear about passive income, remember it's not a magical money-making concept. Passive income might sound like a dream, but don't be fooled by the term. It's not a guaranteed pot of gold at the end of a rainbow, nor is it a mystical secret that only a select few have access to. It's tangible, it's real, but it's also a challenge that can be a rewarding experience with the right mindset and the right set of tools at your disposal. Passive income is a term often thrown around in financial circles, a concept that many aspire to but few truly understand. It's a term that sparks intrigue, interest, a beacon of hope for those seeking financial freedom. But what does it really mean? At its core, passive income is income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. It's a financial strategy that, when implemented correctly, can generate revenue without the need for constant hands-on involvement. But remember, this doesn't mean that it comes easy. Creating passive income streams is a task that requires careful planning and strategic thinking. It's not about finding a quick fix or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about looking at your financial landscape, identifying opportunities, and them effectively. There's an upfront investment, time, energy, resources, and more. There's a need for understanding market trends, leveraging your skills, and expanding your knowledge base. And the work doesn't stop there. Once you've set up your passive income streams, they require continuous oversight. They're not set it and forget it endeavors, but rather, they're projects that need regular monitoring and adjustment. The market changes, trends evolve, and your passive income needs to be flexible enough to adapt. It's a journey that requires persistence and patience, but it's also a journey that offers immense rewards. Passive income isn't just a financial strategy, it's a lifestyle choice. It's about choosing to invest in your future, securing your financial stability, and creating a legacy that goes beyond your 9-to-5 job. It's a choice that can provide you with the freedom to do what you love, to spend time with those you care about, and to live life on your own terms. But remember, passive income is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person might not work for another. The key to success with passive income lies in your approach. It's about finding the passive income strategy that fits you, aligns with your goals, and maximizes your potential. It's about adopting a mindset that embraces learning, growth, and resilience. And as you navigate your way through the income, keep in mind that it's not a solitary journey. There's a community out there, a wealth of resources and individuals who have embarked on the same path. Use their experiences, their knowledge, and their insights to guide you. Learn from their successes, their mistakes, and their wisdom. It's a journey that's more rewarding when shared. Another important aspect to remember is to stay informed. The financial landscape is constantly changing, and staying updated is keep learning, keep exploring, and keep adapting. Today's world is a world of information, and it's at your fingertips. Use it to your advantage. Building a successful passive income isn't about luck, it's about strategy. It's about making informed decisions and taking calculated risks. It's about recognizing opportunities and seizing them. And above all, it's about patience and persistence. There will be hurdles and setbacks, but with determination and resilience, you can overcome them. Because the truth about passive income isn't in the myths or misconceptions. It's in the effort you put in, the strategies you employ, and the financial decisions you make along the way.